Good morning, everyone. So today we have two reporters. So let's start.
Good morning, teacher and students. Let's talk about us demonstrative pronouns. What is demonstrative pronouns? Are words that point to or stand in, they indicate proximity of how close something to speaker. Example of demonstrative pronouns are that and those. That means pointing at a or to the other. That used as singular on the glass. Example of that. Number 1. That is my ball. The boy is pointing a ball to the ball.
Very good.
Number 2. That person's letter is my mother.
Very
This
good.
is a beautiful mark. Number 3. What's that in our palm? I'm boy Pedro's white car with his mom. Those means pointing is far to the honor. Those used as plural more than one.
Very good.
Example of those. Number 1. Those things belong to my family. This is the things of family. Number 2. I really like those toys. There's a lot of toys. Number 3. Those houses are very expensive. A beautiful house. And very expensive.
Very good. So ask your classmate. Do you have any questions?
Do you have
Any questions?
None so far.
Esa said none so far. How about the others?
None so far, teacher.
Alright, since you have no questions, Teacher Queen will ask you a question. You said a while ago that you used singular for that. Why is it singular, Queen? Bakit singular? Why? Because? Why?
Means pointing at things or to the honor.
Oh, bakit singular yan?
Because that and those is only one.
Very good.
Palakpak na kayo.
How about sa those? Why is it plural? Because, bakit plural?
More than
Very good. Because it is more than one. So let's